Hello guys, today I have here my new hair dye shampoo. I'm very excited to try it because I like it. I think I will love it. It says it here in the box that it's 3-in-1, and it says that it's a shiny natural color, gentle moisturizing care, and it also helps with the strong healthy hair. So I think it's very easy to put it and to use it because you only need to do 3 steps that here they are. The first step is to apply it onto dry hair. The second is leaving it for 20 minutes. And the third one is rinse thoroughly with water. Okay, so I'm going to try it. Here in the back part, it says how to use it. The first part is to pump shampoo from bottle according to personal preferences, apply onto dry hair. The second step is mix the shampoo on hand till get a bit of foam. The third step is gently massage the hair from roots to tip until lather is formed. I think that part, I'm just going to do it in like this part of my hair. I think just this part, because I have this part like black, so I think doing it in this, I will see like how it works, the shampoo, that using it here. Okay, so I'm just going to use it in this part of my hair. Then we need to rinse thoroughly with water, and the fifth step, it's recommended usage after every 10 to 15 days. Okay, and it comes here the warning, and also like use it on hair only, avoid contact eyes, do not ingest, and keep away from children's, obviously. So the box is from 500 millimeters. So I'm going to open it and let's see what's inside. Okay, now we're going to open it. It's like this. Okay, we're going to take it off, and okay, it's another thing here. Okay, that's it. I think these are like globes, hair dye tool packs. They are like globes for that I don't maybe use my hands, or I don't know. And here's the shampoo. It's really big. I think it's a perfect size. So okay, let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to use it just in this part. I think that I'm going to see like more how it works, the shampoo, that using it in this. Like you can see it's like a different type of color, so I'm going to use it just in this part. Okay, let me see what's this. Okay, yeah, there are like some globes, and okay, this is like to put it in this part so that you don't mess up your t-shirt. I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to put another t-shirt. Okay, and I see that it's also this to put it in the hair to wait that 20 minutes. But how I'm going to put in this part, so I'm not going to use this. Okay, so let's try it. Okay guys, so I'm ready to use it. I already have my gloves and I already changed my t-shirt. So I'm going to put just in one part of my hair. In this part I'm going to put it, and the first step is to have your hair dried. So I already have it, and I'm going to put okay, the color, it's like red color, so it says we need to mix it until it's like white. So I mix it, okay, like this, and then let's try to put it in a part of my hair. Okay, it has like a color is a smells very hard. Okay, and I'm going to leave this part like this for about 20 minutes. So let's wait 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it already passed 20 minutes. So like this is my hair, okay? And I'm going to wash it. It says gently, so I'm going to open the water. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take like that. And I'm going to wash this part. Okay. And okay, like you can see, it's all black, my hair. This part, it doesn't have like the color black because I don't put there, but here it's very black. I have some shampoo, but it's really black. Yeah, córtale. Okay guys, I have you here in my mirror, and I want you to see the difference between the before of my hair, that it's like this color, okay, like you can see here, and then the after, it's all this black. Okay, for example, this part that I use it, and this one, let me take it. Okay, this between this part. Okay, so I think it's very incredible that you can have it like black in 20 minutes. Okay, you can see there the difference. So I really love it.